Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove Samsung account from your device Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to accounts and backup and click on manage accounts and click on the Samsung account ID. This is the Samsung account ID and click on remove account and click on remove account and click on sign out and it will be sign out. It will ask you to verify it's you, so send email and one link will be created to your email and then you have to you will get the email confirmation there and then click there, and after verifying email just your Samsung account will be removed from your device. As of now, as I have already removed Google account here itself, so I don't want to go further. Just hereafter one step is available. Go to your email, so sign in to your email first, okay, then go to your email and Samsung will send you a verification email. Just click that and complete the verification, then Samsung account will be removed from your device. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.